Hello everyone, today I'm about to simply teach you how you can create a Netflix account. It is going to be a very simple and easy tutorial, so feel free to watch the video till the end. And with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So first of all, go ahead into www.netflix.com, which will basically take you to the Netflix of your country, and finally you're going to be on this page right over here. On this page, it will say ready to watch. Enter your email to create or restart your membership. Go ahead and enter your email and click on get started. Finally, once you have done that, it will ask you to enter your password. Go ahead and make a password and then enter it. And finally, once you have done that, as you can see, it will say choose your plan. Go ahead and click on see the plans, and over here you can see there is a mobile monthly plan, there's a mobile plus plan, and then there's standard plan, and then there's premium plan. So as you can see, mobile plan is going to be monthly $3.99. Video quality is going to be decent. It says good, but it's going to be decent. And then mobile plus is $5.99, which is also decent on 1080p, and you can also watch it on your computer, so decent to be honest. And then there's standard Netflix, and then there is your premium with 4K plus HDR, which is probably the best plan. Once you have chosen any plan you want, just click on continue. And then over here you'll have to just either log in with your credit or debit card or your PayPal, and then once you have done that, all you have to do is pay, and then your membership will start. So if you thought this video was informational, feel free to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and thank you for watching.